Hey guys, it's me, Gabe, and I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be an epic unboxing of all of this stuff right here. But before I do that, I'm gonna tell you how I got it. Well, my grandpa, he works at a place, and they had a contest. You drew a picture, and they was put up for a contest, and whoever won would get amounts of money. Just for entering, you get 25. I got 50. If I beat that, I would have got 100. If I would have beat that, I would have had 150. If I got past that all the way to nationals, I would have got 650. However, I only got 50, but still, I obviously did something because I would have got 25 otherwise. And one more thing, a shout out to my dad over there. He does not like being in videos. My mom, the person filming all of this, my grandpa, and my granny, and my nana and papa. So let's get into this. So first up we have my Pokemon folder. This is my second one that I'm blowing through these. Get off. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh, we'll save it for after the video.
How many does it hold?
I don't know. Okay, so yeah, that's the... Okay, that's that. And we got
It looks like it holds 360 cards, and you already have one of those that's full.
Yeah. See, I'm rocking Pokemon Town, and we'll do more of that later. We've got some Nerf Accustrike darts. Now, what you do with these, they actually come with a separate gun set, which my mom will not let me buy. But however, it still works in the guns that I have.
Hold them still.
And they're designed to where, see those little things right there, and the flat top? They'll be more efficient flying through the air and more accurate, unlike my wonky darts I have that go everywhere. And they actually put 2 years of work into these. Nerf actually was doing an exam on different types of darts, and of course many of them never got released, to see what would be the most efficient way to go in a straight line to your target. And this is what they got. So yeah. Now this is the main thing in the video. This is a crazy pack of things. I mean, look. 8 packs. So yeah, let's get into this.
I'm going to guess open it from the back.
Oh no, it's one of those things that they taped. Like, I don't mean like tape, like, okay, I'm just going to have to rip into this or that.
From the sides, What was the name of it called?
It was called Mega Powers. They call it Mega Powers. That should be all we need to do.
What are you hoping for?
I'm hoping for at least 1 Mega EX. I mean, there's already 2 of them on the front, but still, you want the best you can get. You always want the best you can get. Metaphorically, by the way.
So you know you're getting 2 full art foil promo cards
All of these
featuring Mega Evolution Pokemon Mega Lucario, and you're getting a Jolteon and a Zygarde.
Okay, first of all, it's Lucario, not Lucario, like karaoke, Lucario. Second of all, you forgot to mention the Maverick or something, I'm not sure. Well, anyways, let's just carefully remove these. Yeah, we got Zygarde. We've got Mega Lucario, Mom Lucario, Lucario. What were you thinking? You've got Mega Jolteon EX. This is a really cool one. full art, full fart. Sorry.
Foil art.
Yeah. And Mega Maverick or something. Dad, can you translate this?
Not sure.
The little wording up at the top. I know, Mom.
Manatrix.
Okay,
I
that's
think.
actually right, I think. So anyway, oh my gosh, this card is blinding me. Oh. Yeah, let's just get this out of here. Yeah, this is blinding me. So it's huge Mega Lucario, not Lucario, Mom. I actually have one kind of like this, but it's a Mewtwo EX. And it's just as big, but not a full art and not a crazy Mega EX. So let's just lay that to rest right here. And let's get into the packs. Okay, let's do these are most likely ones that Jake would have had, but little reprinted and more powerful. So yeah, let's do this. Do this. For this particular pack, I want probably a Charizard. Okay, having some technical difficulties. Here's how you open it. Oh, come on.
What's the name of the pack you're opening?
Mega Evolutions pack. So yeah, this could very well. And for all of you Poke fans out there, here's the code.
Okay, hold still, hold still.
Here's the code. So yeah, you have fun. You have fun with that on Pokemon Online. And I don't see why you would do the shuffle to the back thing, so I'm just gonna skip that. Energy, stinking energy. Voltorb, I don't have that guy yet. Tangela, Poliwag, Seal, Reverse Rattata, Farfetch'd. What's up with the energies? Okay, Super Potion. Ooh, Charmeleon. Shout out to all of you Poke fans out there. Charmander was actually another famous Pokemon guy's first Pokemon he ever got, so yeah. Some invaluable information there. Yeah, later. Okay, our next pack is gonna be Breakthrough packs. See Mega Mewtwo on the front there. Dig in. Will we get anything? I don't know. Hopefully we will. Oh my gosh. There we go. Ooh, Ghastly. Once again, for all you Poke fans out there, here's the code. Okay, so we've got Ghastly, Elunium, I think, I'm not sure.
Elegim.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, what's up with the Axew? That's like the fourth one of these. Brokey? Yeah, Brokey.
Is it Misdrevious?
Wait, I see a good energy back there. Holy mackerel, that's a good energy.
What kind of energy is that?
A rainbow energy. You can use it for anything, I think.
Ooh, that's pretty cool.
Any card this can be used on. That's a new card. Okay, we've got... it's some sort of bird. I'm not sure how to spell that.
Braviary.
Oh, Braviary. Another one! Goodness! Another really good energy. 2 of them now. I'll be keeping both of those because one's a shiny.
I've never seen that.
It's a special type of Pokeball. It's a trainer. Get the trainers out of here. We only want the Pokemon cards. The Pokemon. Oh, Flubat. That's it for that pack. We were bound to get something. Okay, Ancient Origins time. We bet maybe a Kyogre. Doubt it, but that's probably the best we could do. Come on, Kyogre. Come on, Kyogre. Oh my gosh, this is agony on my fingernails.
Are you supposed to open it from the top? Do you need to open it like a candy bar?
No, you're supposed to open it like this. It's just really difficult. And once again, all you Poke fans out there, here is the code.
Hold still. Nope, move your fingers down just a little bit. Hold still. Okay.
Okay, we got Eevee. We got Cottony. We got Beltroy, I think. We've got Wooper. We've got Ratus, I think, I'm not sure.
Ralts.
Ralts, yeah. Okay, reverse. Okay,
Amifero Spirit Link.
yeah. These cards are kind of useless. Get the sneaking trainers out of here.
Because you don't battle, do you? You just collect?
Yeah, those are kind of useless. But I still have to play them. Rigrock. Vaporeon, that can go with the Eevee. Paint roller, what does that have to do with anything?
Could you make your gem look better, I guess?
I'm not sure. Abulus or something?
Gyarados.
Oh, Gyarados. Yeah. Okay. They gave me an extra Lucario Spirit Link that's hanging around back here.
You got an extra card, like an extra fry at the bottom of the bag?
Yeah. Dad, I got an extra card, like an extra fly at the bottom of the bag. It was laying right here. It's a Lucario Spirit Link. Kind of useless, but still, it's a card I don't have. Spirit Link time. I'll just put it in the pile with this. Lucario Spirit Link. So yeah, next we've got System Steeds. We're halfway through this, and I haven't got one thing yet.
What do you mean?
We're halfway through the pack, and I barely gotten anything.
What do you mean? You got cards you not had before?
Yeah, but I haven't got anything even special or anything, but I mean, that's okay.
You were excited about the energies.
I
Oh,
said, oh, come on.
Hang on.
Once again, Poke fans, here is your code.
Hang on, it's not focusing. Hold still. Okay.
Where am I putting the codes again?
I don't know. Just put them down.
Let's put it down there. Okay, we've got Tangela. We've got Ruffet, I think. We got Oflot. We've got Paranoid, I think. I'm not sure I spelled that.
Pononard.
Yeah, Pononard. Ponyta. Halutza. Avalog. Gardevoir Spirit Link. What's up with all the Spirit Links?
I bet they're actually really good if you're in battle.
Keffy. Armor Fiststone. Armor Fistlestone, I think. Okay, this half better be good. We got Breakpoint. Oh, these are some of the better packs. No wonder I haven't been getting anything yet.
Okay, what pack was that?
Breakpoint.
Ah.
Yeah, these are the good packs. Drowsy. Oh, whoops. I forgot to show you Poke fans the code.
Hold still. Okay.
We got Swizzle, I think. I've actually been needing that card trying to trade with Matthew. Temple. Clefairy. He doesn't look too good.
Is he scared?
He's knocked out by hypnosis.
Ah.
Chikorita. I don't even know what that series is. We'll have to figure that out later. Okay, Reverse Arcanine. Oh, camera up. Okay, come on. There's gotta be something around here somewhere. oyster. Okay, come on. No! Come on! A trainer item, get out of here. Oh, and an extra code for you Poke fans.
Is it the TC Go? Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's basically like an entire pack of cards. So this is the
Okay.
one you want. So be racing for this one before
Okay.
someone takes it. Before not you gets it. Ooh, another good one. Okay, another code. This is not the code, so though.
Hold still. Okay.
Get out of here. Okay, we've got Blumberry or something. Snubble. Bronzor. Mexico. We've had one new card so far. Deerling. Okay, that's actually good. Splink. Oh my goodness! This isn't even rare, but still I'm shocked. Dad, look what I just pulled.
Cool.
Tell them what it is.
It's a Moltres, one of the legendary birds.
You didn't have that card yet?
No.
Okay. That's pretty awesome then.
Wardom, I think is how you spell
Let me
it.
see.
Well, whatever it is,
Wardam?
in the same
Okay.
pack, I've got its little thing down there. Oh, Matthew's gonna be happy. After all of these years, I finally have a second Servine so I can trade with him. Good grief, enough with the trainer cards.
What kind was it?
One I already have like 1,000 times, and plus it's plus trainer cards. Come on. Okay, okay, come on, give us something. Give us something. Oh my gosh, the Rhyhorns are like chasing me everywhere. Every single pack I open have to have a Rhyhorn in it. Well, anyways, here's the code.
Oh,
it's
nope.
upside down.
Okay, hold still. Okay.
Yeah, Rhyhorn. Seal, looking like he's having the time of his life over there. This looks so weird. Lotad. I think he's set for life. He's got a place to sit and he's got a rock. I think he's set for life there. Hey Dad, I think this Pokemon card's set for life.
Bidoof.
Bidoof. Staryu. Ooh, this guy looks cool. Lokio, I think is how you say it. I'm not sure how to say that. What? That looks like, that doesn't even look like...
Ludicolo?
That doesn't even look like a Pokemon. That looks like a different kind of thing. But whatever you say, Pokemon cards.
You're getting lots of shiny cards.
That doesn't mean they're necessarily rare. It just means they're reverse. That means if anything's going to be rare, it's going to be the 3 cards after this. Blossom. And with my luck so far, I've got Zack Squat. I already
No,
have
you
them.
got that one new card. You got your legendary bird.
Yeah, and I don't have this one, but I have this. And I have, wait, no, I don't have a bike. But trainer card!
Yeah,
I
but
got
now
this.
you have a bike. That's cool.
Trainer card! Oh, and look. I got its entire evolution in one pack.
Oh yeah, pick them all up. Show me.
See, look, that guy is that guy there, so evolve into him. And that guy is right there, that evolve into him. Look. Entire evolution line in
Here,
one
show me.
pack.
Put it up here. Hold it up here.
He starts as Lotad, then he evolves into Limbor, and then Limbor evolves into this monster.
Here, bring it closer to the camera. Stop. Ludicolo. Interesting.
Dad, I got the entire evolution line in one pack. Look. First you have a Lotad, then he evolves into a Limbor, which then evolve into a Lucio. Bink. Okay, final pack. Bum, bum, bum.
What kind is it?
It is a Roaring Skies. And it's got a legendary on the front, so something's got to go right here. Come on. Final pack. Everyone better be paying attention. I hope you haven't fallen asleep by now. Ooh, wait, that's not a new card. Here's the code.
Nope, other way. Okay.
Yeah, that's Dratini. Bum bum. Halutza. Bum bum. Cassoon. Bum bum. Meow. Bum bum. Support. Bum bum. We don't want any of your trainer. Mega EX!
Ooh, which one is it? Here, let me see.
I don't even have its evolution line. It's still a Mega EX. Brr, 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 brr. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I knew it would happen on the last pack. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Okay, this is probably the best card I've pulled out of these entire pack. Mom, can you turn the camera to look at this entire mess down here? There's a big
Out of,
mess.
what is it, 80 cards? 82?
Probably at least 100. Okay, I don't see how anything could top this. Trepos. Okay, double yikes.
Double energy?
Double dragon energy and can be used on anything. It's like it's like this. It's like both of these, but in one card.
Ah, pretty neat.
And but it works best on dragons. Oh, I needed this card. Maverick, I have his little tiny line thing. Now I just needed him. And I kept getting the tiny thing, but finally they gave me the thing I needed.
Minute trick.
Yeah. So this tops everything.
Okay, hold it still. Alright.
Now the main cards I got. I'll hold them all in one hand. And then hopefully your eyes don't burn out because of the bright colors. And if you have problems with bright colors, I suggest you look away for this part of the video. Get out. This is going to get pretty bright. Can the camera even take this much brightness? Okay. So, I'm going to open this real quick. So, let's just open these. I mean, we kind of got an entire mess of Pokemon cards down here I'm going to have to take care of after the video. So let me just open this real quick. Oh, come on. I'm trying to end the video. Is this intentional? They package it because they know I'm going to try and end the video like this. Oh, my gosh. Yes, it worked.
Alright. Close up on the darts. Hold one of them up.
Okay, see, it's got... This is more rubbery, look.
How's it different from your regular darts?
Well, let me go grab a regular dart real quick. You just kind of take an exam on me.
One on that table. That table.
I assume you see a difference.
How do they feel different?
Well, this one, it's really squishy. This one's probably really hard.
Do the tops feel the same material?
No, this one's real squishy and has a tiny hole in it to like... This one, it has no hole, but instead these little things that make it go... kind of like an arrow. Attacking opponent dead on. So, anyways... Yeah, peace out. Bow, bow, bow.